Hey ladies, so I am so excited to do this video. I have been getting so many requests on how have I been wearing my head wraps, right? And especially my new one that I've been wearing, my new style that I actually got from the Rapunzel Instagram page. So shout out to them because they are really great with tutorials as well too. So I really got this particular one that I'm in love with. It's like my go-to now, and I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do that one and show you guys a step-by-step. So right now what I have on is my shaper. This is the shaper that I was telling you guys about. I have it in this color and I have it in a black one as well too. This one's a little bit more comfortable for me. I think I've stretched out the black one and I need to buy a new one. But I absolutely love these shapers because it keeps my head wrap in place. So under it has velvet, and so it keeps it in place so that your head wrap will not slide off, doesn't move, it just stays in place, which is what I need, is what I like, especially because of how small my head is. So we're gonna get right into it. I wanna show you ladies. And so I have posted the head wraps that where I got mine from. I get them on Amazon. I get them from different places, but particularly the ones that I've been wearing, I've gotten on Amazon. And if you guys go to our link, you'll be able to see it on Amazon of exactly which ones I got. And they actually have so many different varieties of colors. And I think it's a 12 pack that you get for a really, really, really good price. So let's start. And I'm actually gonna start with one of my favorite color ones that I like to wear. It's like my golden, and they're very long. So these are the long rectangular shaped ones, as you guys can see. Okay, so you're gonna start off by, it actually starts off very big. This is folded in half. So you're gonna want to fold it in half. I'm trying to show you guys the entire thing so you can see. So fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna put it over my head like this, and you want to make sure that the sides are even at the end. Put it over just right to the edge of your head, not too much over. I like my baby hairs to show, so I'm definitely going to keep some of that out. And then if you notice on these ones, it has like these like frilly things on the end. So when I'm taking this and making sure that my ends are even, I'm actually I'm actually folding it over underneath just a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take both the sides, you're going to pull it up. As you can see, these sides right here, they're kind of sticking out, so you're going to want to tuck it in a little bit. And as I'm doing this, guys, I'm actually looking in a mirror as well too. So if you're like, why is she looking over there? I'm looking at a mirror. All right, so once you have those, you're going to now take it, twist it. See how I'm twisting it? Put it under. You're gonna just loop it under and around and pull. All right? So once I do that, I just make sure I don't have any pieces hanging out. I don't have those pieces that I was telling you about that you wanna just kind of like tuck in a little bit. Pull it, and then you're gonna take, so from my angle, this is probably your guys's that you're seeing is gonna be your left, but it's actually my right. So I'm taking the right one, and you're just gonna put it like this. Just put it over your head, lay it out like that. Then you're gonna take this piece right here. I'm gonna go around and under that piece that I just laid flat. So I'm gonna go around and under. Bring it under a little bit. And so for this part, this is where you kind of get your own style of like how wide do I want it? How like poofy do I want it? And so from here, I'm taking that piece that went around and under, I'm now looping it again back over. And what I'm gonna do, if you guys can see, I'm just gonna lift that part that was flat. I'm gonna lift that over just so you guys can see. I'm gonna take this piece, that piece that I just grabbed, that I put over, I'm gonna put it back around again, but I'm gonna tuck it under. So you're gonna see my fingers right here. I'm gonna tuck it under, grab it a little bit, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna tuck it under the front piece. And then from here, this is when you kind of make it your own. You're gonna shape it to how you want it. How do you want it styled? How big do you want that piece to be on your head? Because you can make it tighter, you can make it looser looking. I like it, you know, bigger because it kind of gives it that ponytail-like look. And then I kind of play around with it. And I pull this piece out right here just a little bit. So I just loosen that just a little bit. And I play with that front piece. And then pull that back piece, that was the piece that we put back there first, and just style it however you want. Sometimes I throw it to the side like that, and so it looks like a cute like ponytail, right? So as you can see up close what it looks like. And it's not hard, but I think once you keep practicing it and you make it your own, you will see how fast this really is. I literally get this done in like 2 minutes. It's wrapped. It's very, very simple, easy. And so again, I'm actually gonna show you guys, I wanna show you guys one more time, just so that you can see exactly what I did when I looped around. So let me just unloop it again. And actually what I'm gonna do, guys, I wanna show you, I have so many colors of these, I wanna show you with a different color. Okay, so just take it off. Let's now do, let's see. So here's another one. This is like my, I guess it's like a purple. Because I have 2 purple shades. I got like this, the pack that I did was like a fall color scheme. So I have like these 2 purple, but I'm gonna choose to do this one. So again, I already have all of mine preset to like fold it in half. So it just helps when I put them on. They're already folded in half. I don't have to deal with that. And that makes it life so much faster, so much easier. And so again, I'm gonna put the wrap over my head, make sure my ends are even. So let's do that. Put it over my head. Just a little bit over where my little baby hairs are. I'm gonna tuck it, the little fringy pieces, I'm just tucking those a little bit under. You're gonna take your pieces, go up. Actually, mine needs to be scooted over a little bit. I'm gonna take those pieces. Let me tuck it a little bit again so I can see them. All right. Then I'm checking out the pieces right there. Tuck those pieces in. You do not want those sticking out. And then if your ends are not like perfect, like perfectly even, that's okay, because your little ponytail part that's like hanging down, that's most likely the piece that's like shorter. So, or the piece that's even that you're gonna loop around. So this is the part that I really want to show you guys again, so that people can really see how simple this really is. So that piece that I said, it's my right, but it's your guys' left on the screen. You just take that. I'm making sure that I am finding the little opening piece because I want that to be towards the back. And I'm just going to put that behind. Right, so it's just kind of hanging behind. That's what I want to show you guys first before you tuck this piece under it. Let's see, okay. All right, so again, you're gonna take this piece, you're gonna grab your hand with the piece that you put over first. I like to just take it. You're looping that under, so I'm gonna loop that under. And I'm not grabbing it tight because I like mine loose. The looser that it is, the more puffy it's gonna be. I'm looping it back over again, but this time, this piece is going under. It's going under this piece right here. So it's going under and through. So under there, through there, grabbing it a little bit, and then putting it through this front piece right there. Right? And then I like to pull out this front piece just a little bit. And again, you just play with it to how you want to wear it how poofy you want it, the style you want it to look. But that's it, guys. It's that simple. And the cool thing is why, you know, doing these type of tutorials is so helpful is because you can always rewind it, pause it, and then see it again. And that's how I've learned, honestly. I've learned by just pushing pause, stopping. I remember watching, I think it was Jessica, the little Tichel lady that I told you guys about. I remember just watching her videos over and over and over because she has so many great ways of how to style your head wrap. And I've paused them, replayed them. So hopefully this helps, guys. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you do, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and also to leave comments. If you have any questions, I would love to answer some of those questions and to be able to guide you step by step if you actually need help and the video was like, you got this, but there was just something that might not have been 100% clear. And that way that gives me feedback to know, like, okay, maybe I could do another one and maybe be more thorough with this part of the video. So let me know, but I hope this helped, and thank you guys for all your love and support.